If you're still buying energy bars or granola bars in 2026, let me show you why you shouldn't and how to make these for just half the price. Get half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of cashew nuts. You can replace that for sunflower seeds if you don't have cashews. Get half a cup of peanuts, and you want to gently toss them down. You don't want them to burn, you just want them to be golden and fragrant. So you're going to slowly keep tossing them around like that until they get fragrant, like you see here. They'll have a really nice aroma to them. You're going to then add them into a processor, and you don't want them to turn into a paste, you want them to be crunchy like that. Next, you're going to grab 1 cup or half a cup rather of oats, and you're going to repeat the same process of gently low heat toasting them down. You don't want them to burn, you want them to be brown and fragrant like you see right there. Then you're going to mix that with the nuts and gently fold them in until they fully mixed. Then we are going to use dates as our softener and binder here. Mine were not pitted, so I had to pit them myself. You just need 1 cup of this. And if your dates are soft, you don't need to add in water to them, but some of mine were dry, so I got half a cup of warm water and then let them sit for 3 to 5 minutes, after which I added them to the food processor again until I got a paste. After that, you need to get half a teaspoon of salt. This is optional, but it does really bring out the flavors. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then mix in with your dates puree like you see right there, and you want to gently fold that in until everything is fully mixed and coated. Once that is done, get half a cup of coconut flakes and mix that in, then into a parched tray or a parched pan like that. Press everything right down, put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, and then cut into pieces like you see here. And there you have it. The more they sit in the fridge, the sturdier they get, and you go yourself healthy energy bars without breaking the bank.